Hey friends, what's going on? It's JK here. Today I've got a project I'm working on over here with the garage, and what I'm planning on doing is utilizing these magnetic handles to give this garage a little bit more pop and appeal. With the housing market being so lucrative right now, I was thinking of maybe selling the house soon, and as we do that, we want to give the house a little bit more curb appeal with the fact that it's just a plain white door. So with this little accent, a small investment I got on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description below so that you can try it out as well. I got that, and then secondly, I have another item here. This was also bought on Amazon. These are magnetic tiles that will give the illusion of being windows on top. So between this and the magnetic tiles, I want to see if I can transform the door to look a little bit more inviting, a little bit more attractive, and give the overall facade of the house a little bit more pop and curb appeal. So I'm going to put the description for these down below, so if you are interested, once you see the end product, we'll see how it goes. I'm not even sure how it's going to go, but I'm going to get started, so let's go. Okay, voila, there it is. That's my project. As you can see, it was a little bit of a trial and error. You got to figure out what works out best for your needs. Because I think you get a total, so I've got 8 panels on the door, and you get 4 magnets per panel. So I lined them up kind of in a box pattern, but you can also do them vertically as well, depending on what your preference is. The magnetic aspect of it makes it really easy to easily apply onto there and easily adjust as needed. I may go back and just, if I see something that looks a little bit off, I may go around and play around with it. So the twofold, I did the fake window decorating and also the handles. So I'm hoping that it gives the overall feel a little bit more upscale. It kind of breaks up the pattern of being an all white door. So I kind of like it a little bit. And if you've done this, let me know in the comments below if you like it or if you didn't like it, how it held up over time. This is just something simple I wanted to try out for just decorative appeal without having to buy a brand new garage door. So the cost savings is a little bit different, and it's completely different on getting a brand new door and just putting on some magnets, really. So I just wanted to give it that curb appeal, and I think it kind of did the job. It looks night and day difference, better than what it started out as. And I'll put some pictures of before and after so you can get a good idea of what it looked like and what it looks like now. And I will probably play around with some of these magnets if I think that something looks a little bit off. I was pretty much just eyeballing it and just measuring it with my pocket knife to get an idea of the distance from the bottom and also the gaps in between. So play around with it, see what works best for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys get to do this project. And if you do, let me know, and I hope to see what it ends up turning out to be like. All right, guys, catch up with you later. Be safe.